Hello everybody, I'm Brayden from EG4 Electronics, and today we have the MAC OS BMS Tools for the EG4 LL series. We previously looked at the BMS Test for Live Power 4s, and we're excited to announce that we also have BMS Tools so that you can monitor your LL batteries. So first, again, this is going to be on EG4's website at eg4electronics.com/downloads. But if it has not gone live yet, then you'll want to get it from your distributor. Once you're on your Mac, you want to open LV Host, and that will bring up this window. And there are a couple steps we need to do to go ahead and connect our battery. So first, our LL may have one left dip switch and 5 right. If you have the 6 dip switch battery, you want to make that all to the right, and that will put it in the communication configuration, not the master. And then you want to have the same for the 4 dip switch, although it is vertical, so you want to have all of those down. Alrighty, now that we have that, we can go ahead and turn on our BMS, and then we'll want to grab our cable. So this is going to be RS485 to USB-A, or if you have a newer MacBook, you will need to USB-C. You can use an adapter for this, a USB-A to USB-C adapter. But if you're experiencing troubles with communication, you need to make sure that your drivers are up to date for the connection. Once the battery is online, again, make sure you're in the other ID for the dip switch, all to the right. If you had to change it, you want to power cycle your battery, so turn it off and turn it back on. Then you will plug in to the RS485 port, and then the USB-C to your laptop. There we go. Now on BMS Tools, we'll click refresh. It might take a moment for it to populate. Let's see. If it does take a little too long, then try unplugging from your battery again. Plug back in, make sure that connection's secure. Sometimes I can keep it from refreshing too quickly. There we go. Now we have USB serial. You want to do cu.usb serial. Then go to your baud rate and make sure that is set to 9600. It defaults to 1152. You want to make sure you change that to 9600. And then this is where the difference between the LL with the 6 dip switches versus 4. On your ID, for the 6 dip switch, you want to go all the way down to 64. If you have the 4 dip switch battery, you'll need to go to ID 16. Then you will press Start Monitoring. Your COM state will go from offline to online, and then you'll have all your information, your model number, your version, SN, and then your status. And this is where you can do all of your monitoring and making sure that your battery is working as you like. There are also historical records, BMS data logs that you're now able to access on Mac. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'm Brayden from EG4 Electronics. We'll see you next time.